Why, love? Hindi. Hindi yun ang gusto ko. I just wanted to protect you and the kids. Don't say that. You aren't the monster, Marcus. Don't think that way. Hindi ka ganun. I love you. I've lied to you, but it's true. I love you. I love you, Marcus. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng mga bata. Please. I came because I cared for the kids. For you. I know you won't understand me this fast, but please, hear me. I love you. Mahalaga sa akin kayo ng mga bata. Sasabihin ko naman, natatakot lang ako. I became a coward. Natatakot ako baka magalit ka. Wala pa ako lakas sa loob. No, wasn't my intention. Please, Marcos. Sasabihin ko naman. Sasabihin ko. Aamin na ako. Humahanap lang ako ng tamang oras. Natatakot kasi ako. Baka magalit ka. Hindi. Marcos, please, just listen. Maiintindihan ko kung di ka maniniwala. Pero sana pakinggan mo ako. Please believe me. Please listen. Hurt me. Ayos lang. Huwag ka lang lumayo. Huwag mo lang ilayo ang mga bata. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. May mali ako. Handa akong pagbayaran yon. I won't hurt them. I swear. I'm the kid's mother. Please, believe me. I had no choice. Please, listen. I'm telling the truth. Para maawa mo na. Please, believe me. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling. Please. No, I'm the children's mother. Marcos! No!